Hello dosto, welcome back to another video. And most of you already know that the Institute of Course Accountants of India have finally released notification regarding the examination schedule, and which says CMA Foundation examinations will commence on 5th of September 2021 and it will be home based. If we talk about CMA Inter and CMA Final, then the examinations will be conducted from 21st of October to 28th of October, and it will be online and it will be center based. So if you know that we have started a petition yesterday, I have uploaded a video of it as well, and I saw that most of you people have supported and signed that petition. And from that petition, I think we got the examination schedule today, and we got to know about the mode of examinations, whether it will be home based or center based. We got to know about that as well. But still there are other issues which we are not aware, which we are not aware about, because there is no proper communication about it yet. So whether there will be an opt-out option, not clear. Whether when the suggested answers and question paper will be there on the site for January 2021, not clear. What will be the question paper pattern, not clear. When we will get the mock test paper for practicing for this coming attempt, not clear. So we still do not have proper communication on the other things. So if you will go on the petition, you will see the update regarding this. It has been amended. The petition has been amended, and these things are still need to be addressed. So that petition is not over. I think we need your support for these things as well. But please do not hamper your studies because of this petition. I would say now study well and give your best. If you have some free time, then do share it with your friends. The petition, share it with your friends, and just do it. One more thing which most of the students like me want to know about is about the exam form. We want to know that if we have applied for single group, ठीक है, तो both group के लिए apply कैसे करें? I can see on the site that they said that we have to send the DD, but we are not clear about it yet, and we want to know when the exam form window will be opened and when we can apply for both the groups, right? For now, if you if you are appearing for CMA Inter Group 1, CMA Inter Group 1, and Group 1 देने की जगह you want to give Group 2, so you can go on the exam form portal, and amend your exam form. You can do this. This is still possible. But if you have applied for Group 1 and now you want to give both groups, so for this there is no clarity yet. As soon as I get any update about this, I will let you know. And these are the things which are still included in the petition, and we want the proper communication on these things as well at the earliest from the Institute of Course Accountants of India. So study well, give your best, and now exams are 2 months away. So now you can, I think, practice को और थोड़ा बढ़िया करिए, strong बनाइए, and revision करिए अच्छे से. And I am here to help you out at any moment. Just let me know in the comment section whatever you want to know. So this is it. See you all in the next video.